How to get crying filter on Snapchat. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to get the crying filter on Snapchat, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we need to do first is to go into our Snapchat app. And now when we are on the Snapchat app, then I'm just going to take the mobile and then I'm going to basically click on my face here so it recognizes my face. And now it has actually recognized my face, as you can see, because we get all of these options in here. But what we need to do instead is to click where it says explore, and that is in the bottom right. Perfect. And now we need to search for crying. Oh, sorry, crying. Like this. And as you can see, we get a lot of options in here. But for this tutorial, I'm going to choose the first one right here. And that is perfect. As you can see, I do have the crying filter on right now, and I can even record. As you can see, I'm recording myself now. It looks it looks very interesting for sure. Yeah, I mean that is exactly how to get the crying filter basically. And yeah, let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.